Hi everyone, welcome back to Quick Dev Code, your first coding buddy for mastering SQL, .NET React and a lot of more. In our previous video, we explored the SQL roadmap, the full journey from beginner to pro. If you missed it, make sure to check that out first to understand the path we are following. Today we are kicking off out SQL beginner series, and in the first module we will be covering what is the SQL, type of databases, installation, databases tools, and creating your first database table. So grab your notebook, open your editor and follow along. Let's get started. So, what is a SQL? SQL stands for as Structured Query Language. It's used to interact with relational databases to store, retrieve, update, and manage structured data. Think of SQL as the language we use to talk to a database, just like we communicate with each other using spoken words, asking questions, giving instructions, like that. We use SQL to talk to a database. You can use it to create database and tables, insert data, retrieve it with queries, update or delete records, manage user access, etc. Types of databases. Let's look at the two main types of databases you will come across in tech, and I will explain them in a super and simple way. Now we talk about the relational database. These store table data in tables in the form of rows and column. Each row is uniquely identified with a primary key and can be connected to other table using a from foreign key, commonly used in structured data scenarios. Let's take an example: a student management system with a students table and a courses table linked by a course id. So this is the example of relational database, because here student table connected with course table by the course id. Now we discuss about the popular databases. Like first one is MySQL, which is commonly used in web applications. PostgreSQL, which is used in advanced and enterprise ready, and SQL Server used in .NET application mostly. Oracle, which is used in enterprise level with high security, and SQLite, lightweight and used in mobile application. Now we talk about the NoSQL database. These are schema-less and can handle unstructured or semi-structured data. Common types includes document, key values, wide column, and graph databases. Real world use case: a chat where messages comes in rapidly and store in the flexible format like JSON. So this is an example of NoSQL database. This is a real world example. Now we talk about the popular NoSQL databases. First one is a MongoDB, which is document based and Firebase real time sync used in mobile app. It cases high performance and scalability. Redis in memory used for caching. Now we differentiate both, data. When we talk about the data structure, so relational uh, databases data structure is stable in the form of rows and column, and NoSQL document key values in schema. So relational database schema is fixed and predefined, and NoSQL flexible or dynamic. It can be grow after later. And query language, so relational database query language is SQL, and it's a JSON based common API. When we talk about the best, so which is the best, uh, relational database is best for structured data, and this is best for big data and real time use. For this course, we focused on relational databases using SQL because SQL is in demand across tech careers. It building foundational skill. Understanding SQL makes learning NoSQL easier later. So let's master relational database first. Now we are going to Chrome. Sorry, this is already open here. So we will use this. Sorry, this. Here we will write SSMS download, SSMS 2022 download, and this is the first website which is of Microsoft. Install SQL Server Management Studio. Click on that. Go to the, you can see top right corner there is a download SQL Server button, so click on that, and you are redirecting on here. Here you can find where is this is SQL Server 2022 developer, so you have to download this. Download now, and you can see you can download it. After that you have to click on that and give up administrator permis for open this app, and let's see there is a will be come on your desktop, this icon. I click on that. This taking time to opening, just to wait a couple of seconds. So this is a interface you can connect on. This is a databases which I have. So we will create a new database for that. We write create database student, and we execute this. So you can see and refresh the database. Then this is expanding, and this is a student database which is installed, and for use this you can select manually, and you not want to select manually, then write a script use student. So this will use student database. You can see this is a student will be select, and now we are going to create a one table which is a student. Sorry, we have to create the database name why student db, so we will create a student table in that. So just alter command we have to write for modifying the name of that. Alter database database name is student, and modify name with student db. This is successful renamed. Now also we have to change this name here, this. Now we will create a table, student table. Create table student id int primary key which is unique, and identity. If you are not able to understand, I will be explain later much more about that. Then name varchar 100, and age varchar. Age will be in int format, so we will rename that age. Now class class is also in int. So this is a script for creating the student table. This is already successful. You can see there is empty record will be get because sorry, this is the id, name, age and class. We have to insert into the insert record into that. So we will learn about that. It just for giving an intro of that, we will discover in more way in later in up. For today this is sufficient. In the later video we will explain how to insert data and so more. So now we are just recapping once again what we have done today. To quick dev, hit the bell icon and comment below if you installed SQL. DM me if you are stuck and facing any problem to install that, and see you in the next video.